All right, let us answer question on probability. We are given a Venn diagram. It is drawn for us. So we just have to answer probability questions only. The Venn diagram below shows the number of learners in grade 11 class who passed mathematics and passed physical sciences. 8.1. What is the total number of learners in the class? So to get the total number of the learners in the class, we just have to add 13, we add 7, we add 24, we add 3. That will give us the total number of the sample space. So the total number here will be what? 13 plus 7 plus 24 plus 3. And that will give me 47. So we have got 47 learners in the class. 8.2. Suppose that a learner is picked from the class at random. What is the probability that such a learner passed mathematics? So we want to know the probability that of the learner that passed mathematics. So here we are having mathematics. This whole circle is for mathematics. So we know that these one they passed mathematics only, and then this one they passed mathematics and physical science. So we need to add these two. We need to add these two because even the ones that passed both, they did pass mathematics. So we need to add. So the probability of mathematics, of the learners who passed the mathematics, that will be what? 13 plus 7. All this divided by their total number, which is what? 47. So we have got 20 over 47. Or you can write in decimal form, that will give you 0.43. 8.2.2, it says, what is the probability that such a learner passed both mathematics and physical sciences? So we underline the word both there. It means the intersection. So we are going to go and check and look for the intersection there. And that will be our answer. So the probability that the learner passed both is what? It's 7. All right, the probability that the learner passed both maths and physical sciences is given by 7 divided by 47. So that right there becomes our answer. But if you want to write in decimal form, you will have 0.15. 8.2.3. What is the probability that such a learner passed neither mathematics nor physical sciences? In this case, this one they passed maths only. This one they passed both maths and physical sciences. This one they passed physical sciences only. But this one out there, they did not pass maths and they did not pass physical sciences. So the probability of not maths or science is equal to 3 over the total, which is 47. Or you can write in decimal, and that is going to give us a 0.06. That will be the answer. 8.2.4. What is the probability that such a learner passed mathematics or physical sciences? Now the word or means everything on mathematics and physical sciences. So we're looking at all of these learners that have passed mathematics or what? Or physical sciences. So the probability will go like this. Probability of passing mathematics or physical sciences is equal to the probability of maths or science is equal to 13 plus 7 plus 24, all this divided by the total number, which is 47. And then when we add what we have on the numerators, we have got 44 over 47. If we want to write this one in decimal, it's going to give us 0.94. 8.2.5. What is the probability that such a learner passed only mathematics or only physical sciences? So we will have 13. These are the one who passed only mathematics. And then we have got 24. These are the only one who passed physical sciences. So we will have the probability of only mathematics or sciences. That will be 13 plus 24, 13 plus 24. All this divided by a total number, which is 47. Now, when you say 13 plus 24, that will give us 37 over 47. If we want to write this answer in decimal, it's going to give us 0.79. All right, 8.3.1. I have to read what I am given right here on top. It says a smoke detector system in a large hotel uses two devices, A and B. If smoke is present, the probability that it is detected by device A is 0.95. The probability that it will be detected by device B is 0.98. And the probability that it will be detected by both devices simultaneously is 0.94. If the smoke is present, what is the probability that it will be detected by device A or B? So we are going to find the probability of A or B. Are we given the probability of A? Yes, we are given. That is 0.95. So we write 0.95, 0.95. Plus, are we given the probability of B? Yes, we are given. That is 0.98, 0.98. Are we given the probability of A and B? Yes, we are. That is 0.94. So we've got 0.94. Now we need to press our calculators to find the answer. So the answer that I get is 0.99. That is the probability of A or B. The probability of A or B. 8.3.2. What is the probability that the smoke will not be detected? All right. So first of all, you need to know that we have calculated the probability of A or B. And the answer that we got is 0.99. So now we want to know what is the probability that the smoke will not be detected. So this is the probability that the smoke will be detected by camera A and camera B. What we can do, we will use the complementary event. The probability that the smoke will not be detected will be the probability of not A or B, which is equal to 1 minus the probability of A or B. So this one is the probability of not A or B. That one is the probability of A or B. So the probability of not A or B is equal to 1 minus 0.99. And the answer that we get will be 0.01. This is the probability that both camera will not be able to detect the smoke. And then now right here is the probability that the camera A and camera B will be able to detect the smoke. I hope that is easily understood. If not, you can ask questions on the comment. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Take care.